We'll see a new thing here, how to make new shapes here. In Fusion మీద కొత్త షేప్ ఎట్లా తయారు చేయాలి. కొత్త షేప్ కావాలంటే మనం ఫోటోషాప్లో డిజైన్ చేస్తే యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఇట్ అప్. బట్ how to do it here in After Effects, here in Fusion directly. Is it okay? So what is the topic now? How to make a different shapes in Fusion and get it move. Movement ఎట్లా సరే మనం ఇక్కడ యానిమేషన్ ఉంది, సెంటర్కి యానిమేట్ చేసి వెళ్తుంది. బట్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ రెక్టాంగిల్ ఆర్ ఎ స్క్వేర్ వీ నీడ్ ఎ సర్కిల్ టు గెట్ మూవ్. How to make a circle in Fusion. Now on screen you can find some buttons are there. Can you see? There is a circle button over here. What you need to do, select this node and just have a click. So easy. So hope we have understood now how to make a circle by the help of a special thing that is called mask. Now you got to know what is this blue color is meant for. It is meant for masks, and there is a circle over in the screen which can be dragged and drop over here. Now we have seen how to create a circle directly. Hope it is clear. And it is technically called as mask node. And we'll be having a special chapter for it, but for the time I have made it open so that you can introduce a different shape on the screen. So here we can see now a circle is moving, but the circle is not made of this background. This is made of this ellipse, and it can be connected and it can be disconnected, and it is formed from this particular button, and it is technically called as mask. And you can get this mask from the mask node. So in After Effects also we have learned about the mask, and there is shape mask. Shape tool is there. Ellipse, rectangle, all things are created. Here also the same, and that could be used here to get a circular shape. So hope it is not a new thing for you. We have already learned in After Effects with the name called shape. Shape tool is there. The same shape tool is here in the form of mask. Where it is tool, mask. We'll be learning about this mask in very detail, but for the timing we have just used one of the tool that is called elliptical mask. So check to the screen now. We can start making this center point to move down. How to move the center point down? Yes, you can use this y coordinate system of the pivot point and get it go for 0.25 down. So go for like 0.35. So you can see this point is moving. Now you can manually move down. So what you have done, manually we have disturbed the center point so that you can able to freely move it anywhere you like. Once it is done, then we can start up making to scale out. Yesterday we have learned about scaling. How to scale? Make it size aspect ratio to get it off. Scale down. Now hope we can able to make a bouncing ball with scratch and stretch effect. This scratch and stretch happens because of whom? Because of the pivot point changed. And this could be done in this way, and later on we can start up moving this by the help of this. Hope you can see how these two property, three property can be combinedly start up working. Let us make this scale down a little. So make a bouncing ball. Today's task is this. Get it fall from a table. So how to make a table? Very simple. The same background could be done with a simple color, with a low size, height, and the words to be get down. And get it connect with this. This is what your box when to get it placed on a final stage. What is the final stage? This is the final stage. This is the table. Fit it to the screen. So hope we are getting the flow. This is the stage. This is the table. You can place the table anywhere you like. And from here, the ball has to go down. One more stage, or you can place it down. So get it connect, and it is on the top. Get this ball, which is red color, to go in green color. Now the position can be handled in two different manners. So one is transform node, another is your merge node. So through the transform node, we can set the position. Now get it animate, and animation will be happening over here. So the base is there only. We can sketch and stretch this. So at a time, we need to get these two elements to get scale up. So give a right click, switch to the animation button on. Give a right click, switch to the animation button on. And go to the next frames and make it stretch, get it off. So hope we have understood now how to get it stretch out. And now the story is under your control now. Go to the spline editor, select both the things. You can fit to the skin now. Both the things are scaling up. You can move how much fast you want to do the sketch and get to the normal position. Yes. The same thing to be get copied and paste by hitting the K button. Get this to copy it and paste in this place. What happened now? The value came to the same range. Same job. We can copy this and select this node and paste this. So hope in the graph editor we got to know how to make the animation. And the same job, we can repeat this. Hit the button K and make this to be copied and select and paste. Only copy paste job we are doing now. So hope this is copied and paste and the job is done up. Control A, Shift B. Control A and Shift B. What happened? It make the transform box to get on. Now what we are seeing, Shift B again to get away. The first bounce is big and the second bounce is small. So hope this two has to, okay. The position remains the same, but the scaling is different now. First one is a little big and the second one is a small one. And if we need to get still more down, we can pull down to this. So the goal of speaking here, how to make a bouncing effect. Now, the position to get moved, center point, animation. Fit to the screen. So here one button. Now the movement will happen to this. Is it clear? Now get it down. So make a bounce ball animation, fit to the screen and check. Is it clear now? So the jump is happening to the position, but sketch and stretch happening to this X and Y value. So to get it more realistic, rather than normal scaling, we can go for sketch and stretch. So it make a little realistic. So hope this could be tried out in this session. Make a bouncing ball with the help of your Fusion transform node and get the ball to fall down now. So now this spline editor, after this is fourth number frame, get the position to the next level. Here the position is changing. and go to the next frame, fall it down. Okay. So now the keys to be get far away, only selected. See this, get it zoom, fit to the screen, zoom it up, zoom it up, and get the center. The name is called center for position. Yes, you can see this. And here also there is a scalar to get stretch. You can take more time. How much time you want, you can get it scale. This question stance happened once, but that then after it fell down. Not only in this software, any software you're learning, just animation can be checked with this bounce ball test. If you can able to make a bounce ball, then yes, some of the properties are under our control. Now, how to check frame by frame? What is the keyboard shortcut to go frame by frame?
Open bracket.
Yes, very nice. Now here you can check if it is crossing somewhere or not. Then yes, we can follow it. Just check frame by frame. Previous frame, next frame, go down. Again, after falling, we can start up making it to sketch and stretch. So at this frame, and select the node and ask for spline. It reach to the ground at this level. From this point onwards, again you can start up making to the next frame and start making this sketch and stretch. Yes, it depends upon your artistical skill. So go to the next frame. And here onwards, again you can able to make it to move up. Right? Hope this much of things can be tried. Now play it off. Go to the first frame. Play. And the timing and all things we can change through the timeline. Timeline में timing की control change. So the timing could be controlled, either it can be fast or it can be slow by zooming. You can see the frame number. And if you feel like only this second phase timing to get fast or slow, you can do it up manually just to reach faster. So it is position property, it is scaling property. Is it okay? Animation చేయొచ్చు? Just have taken a thing in a practical manner of a character like things, but it can be done to any image also. So two things we have learned today till now. What is that? What is called ellipse node inside the view panel, which can be connected to the blue so that we can able to make a circular shape easily. We'll be learning about the mask in detail, but for the timing, yes, this is the node and the look. Mask always in black and white. It can be connected to this to form this. So no need to go to Photoshop and create a circle. So ready-made circle is available here. And then we have seen how does the animation can be done independently. Then we have seen how to make that whole thing combined together to make a bouncing ball concept. Yes. So hope till this we have done a single ball. Now the same node can be tried once more with the next layer. Control C, Control V, get the flow connected and make this. So here there are two balls going together. If we are selecting and disturbing, then you can see there are two balls are there. But how to move this second ball a little time difference. So the whole animation is done with this. Again, to get time difference, we need to copy this and paste over there. Again make a flow. So it takes a little time. So time related things are there in After Effects. In Fusion also there is time related things. Time, stature and time speed. There are two factors which controls the time. Miscellaneous. So let us go for time stature. But time stature to be get here to the second node. So the source time is there in zero format. Then wherever we want, we can able to get it placed. So we are controlling the time stature to make the animation to come when. Is it clear? What is the new node we have introduced? Time stature. Where it is? Tool, miscellaneous, time stature and speeder. There are two things are there. So get for time speeder. This is also a way to get it control, but where to use? Inside the second node. Fine. And here the things with this time speed, it can be use a delay button. So let us see now what happened. It get delay with 3 frames. Is it clear? Is it Ardhamanda? So we can create a nice effect with this. We have done a small animation, but rest of the things are your compositing skill by the time speeder. So time speeder, we can make it delay, so the second one will get 3 frames delay from the first one. Then it create a illusion of trailers. Delay okay na? The speed means of that 100% animation speed is there, but it get delay by 3 frames. So the whole animation is 3 frame delay. So make a motion graphics through the time speeder. So new node we have introduced today called ellipse and time speeder. Time speeder is a format where you can able to make the whole animation to get 1 frame delay or 2 frame delay like that. As well as it does have an option called speeder. So we have not touched to the speed, 100% speed only that. Original speed is there. But the whole speed also you can able to get it slow down or fast. It can be done in two different manners. Delay is normal, but we have made the speed to get down. So the speed is down, so it moves after a long time later. So it is not calculated with the frame number, it is calculated with the speed, 100% speed or minus some percentage speed. By default, original speed means 1. So what is the node you have learned? Time speeder. So make the Excel ready. And you notice there on your screen, time, speed is a new node. It does have two properties or two options, speed and delay. Delay controls with the frames, how many frames you want to get delay. This is 100%, but it is represented by 1 speed, 200% speed, fast, slow. So fast, slow, normal, all the things can be done. This 1, 2, 3 means faster. Slow means 1 minus 1. Normal means 1. So hope we have understood the difference between speed and delay, which is a part of the time speeder. And yes, we can get it delay by 1 frame or some frames. and get a trailer effect. So one come, then after the next will come. And if it is to get a next color, then what to do? The green plus red రావాలి. The other one should be red. What is to be done? Same job, same thing. Get it copied. This much of thing, paste up here, and here you need to get the things to be changed to the red color. This is one of the way. But the other way is there for color corrections. We can use this. But till now, what are the things we have done? We can do in this way also. That means other way is there. So what is the other way to change the color? Can you tell? If I'm using this connection in this way, and here we want to make the red color to come, then what I need to do? Question correct now? So the answer is C. This could be applied to a node like this. Take the red color and place in this. So now we'll see how does this could be done. Okay, the concept of this knowledge we can able to use. The concept of this knowledge could be used of what is this knowledge means that you got to know. Is it okay? So just have a try and get it changed. So this should be placed on a node and get it into in mode. Copy, paste, red color, and here the things could be tried and get it in node. And the things could be different. Reverse, this to be connect here and this to be here, and that is called swapping. Give a right click and switch a option called swap input. That becomes the input and this becomes the foreground, this is background, and get this here. Fine. It looks a little different and complex, but it is not so complex. Here already we have learned this color is coming, but it is there in the foreground of a BG with a in mode. In mode operator, you know. So now get it blend also. This is in node, but here we can able to get it blend screen. Can you able to see what happened now? Red plus green, yellow. Where it is mixed? Inside the blend mode screening. Is it okay now? So making motion graphics becomes easier now. So if it's to get play number of balls, yes, we can make it done. Hope this output could be done. If it is not done, ask me up. I'll do it once more. ప్రతి నోడ్ మీదే ఇది ఎందుకు ఆ క్లారిటీ ఉండాలి. ఆ క్లారిటీ కోసం ఒక్కొక్క నోడ్ ఎలా ఫ్లో చేయండి, కంపోజ్ చూడండి, తర్వాత కంపోజ్ చేసాం. నెక్స్ట్ స్పీడ్ డిలే, but only one node we have learned extra, that is called time spread. But the rest of the nodes already you have learned. It is only the arrangement. Bouncing ball checha, does it okay? Blend mode, bounce ball, transform node, position animation, all the things has been done in a single stretch. So take a note of all these things, make a print screen and have a try. But on output we are looking for this. So I'm just saving this file, flow, underly, get this node, Hope it is clear. This part okay? So what is the learning of here? Two things we have, three things we have learned. What are those? Time speeder, ellipse, and position animation. So have a sticky note. What are the things we have learned in this flow? So why I'm doing this? You need to do this also at your end. Note down. Time, speed, ellipse, position movement. So three new things we have learned. Right. Next, what is the work we have learned? How to make bounce ball. Bounce ball. Hope this much of output I can do. In this, any question you can ask me up now. Then we'll go for rotational animation. Immediate doubt unte adagandi. Okay.
So now color change is sir malak sir cheptara.
Em part brother cheppandi.
Color
color part na.
Yes sir.
Red, yellow, green etla india. Ee part na. Okay, first red color itla indi chudandi. This part is okay. ఎంతవరకు క్లియర్ నా? గ్రీన్ పార్ట్, గ్రీన్కి రెడ్ కావాలంటే జస్ట్ ఒక చిన్న రెడ్ ఫ్లో తీసుకోండి. రెడ్ ఫ్లో తీసే మధ్యలో కనెక్ట్ చేయండి ఇలా, ఫోర్గ్రౌండ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్. ఇది ఫోర్గ్రౌండ్లో ఉండాలి రెడ్. జస్ట్ ఇక్కడ మూడేమి ఇన్ తీసుకోండి. ఇన్ తీస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్లో ఉంటే ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మీదే ఫోర్గ్రౌండ్ కనపడతాయి. సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ హియర్. ఇది క్లియర్? దెన్ మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్లో ఏం కలర్ ఉంటుంది? గ్రీన్ ఉంటుంది. ఫ్రంట్లో ఎవరు ఉంటుంది? రెడ్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ రెండు రెడ్ అండ్ గ్రీన్కి ఈ మర్జ్ మీదే మనం మిక్స్ చేస్తుంది. ఈ మర్జ్కి ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే స్క్రీన్ మోడ్. సో రెడ్ ప్లస్ గ్రీన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎల్లో. ఇక్కడ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ చాలు అయింది. ముందే ఆపరేటర్ మీదే ఇన్ అవుట్ చేసింది. ఆపరేటర్ నార్మల్ మోడ్ మీదే ఆపరేటర్ ఉంటుంది, కానీ స్క్రీన్ మోడ్ మీదే మ్యాథ్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. రెడ్ ప్లస్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ థియరీ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Will I move to the rotation? So let us go for new property animation. That is called rotational animation. Your topic is only animation going on, but animation next level. Simple. So take a BZ. Make the BZ to be transparent. Take a BZ with lesser height and width, with a red color something, and get it connect. Simple connection, ready. Get it little slim, the height to be down, width to be a little more. Does it okay? Now set the rotation. Rotation in Fusion technically called as angle. Fusion lo rotation ki em cheptundi angle. Give a right click, animate, switch to the 10, 20 or whatever the frames, and get it rotate. Go for clockwise, minus is in clockwise. Or else give a right click on this slider and go for edit. It will directly open inside the flow spline editor. Inside the spline editor you can give the value how much you want. Here you can see the dot is there with a particular value, and the value is displaying over here. Here you can write a proper value. Proper value in the sense minus 360 into 2. Are you getting what I'm talking here? How does the value has been written? 360 is complete revolution, multiply by 2. That means 2 complete revolution will happen. ఈ మెటర్ అర్థమైందా? 720 ఎట్లా వచ్చింది, ఎందుకు వచ్చింది, 360 ఎందుకు అక్కడ రాసింది, మల్టిప్లై బై 2 ఎందుకు చేసింది, క్వశ్చన్ ఉండాలా, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఆన్సర్ షుడ్ బి దేర్ విత్ యూ. హోప్ కంప్లీట్ రివల్యూషన్ అంటే 360 డిగ్రీ. ఎనీ టైమ్స్ 360 డిగ్రీ కావాలంటే 360 ఇంటూ 3, 4, 5 ఎలా రాయొచ్చు. కానీ ఎందుకంటే 720 నాకు తెలియదు, ఐ డోంట్ నో ది మెథ్, వాట్ ఈస్ 360 డిగ్రీ, 360 మల్టిప్లై 2 చేస్తే ఎంత అవుతుంది, వీ డోంట్ నో, బట్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ ద మెథ్ హియర్. So what happened now? It is revolving on screen 2 times. Is it clear? Rotational animation అర్థమైందా? Hope it is understandable. ఇది ఓకే అంటే నెక్స్ట్ విల్ గో టు ది నెక్స్ట్ హైర్ ఫార్మాట్. కానీ రొటేషన్ మీద ఒక స్పెషల్ బటన్ ఉంటుంది, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ మోషన్ బ్లర్. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ మోషన్ బ్లర్. కమ్ ఓవర్ హియర్ అండ్ వేర్ మర్జ్కి ఛానల్స్ పక్కన ఉంటుంది ఒక చిన్న బటన్, కామన్ కంట్రోలర్. ఇన్ కామన్ కంట్రోలర్ యూ కెన్ సీ మర్జ్ ఛానల్ కామన్ కంట్రోలర్. ఇక్కడ ఒక చిన్న బటన్ ఉంది, మోషన్ బ్లర్. Is it okay? Switch on this button. Then ultimately you'll find edge part will be get blur, just like a fan. మీరు ఫెన్ రొటేషన్ చేస్తే స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేస్తే ఏమో కనపడుతుంది, సెంటర్ పార్ట్ క్లియర్గా ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఎడ్జ్ మొత్తం బ్లర్ అయిపోతాయి. అప్పుడు ఇది ఒరిజినల్ కనపడతాయి. ఆ ఒరిజినాలిటీ ఈ బటన్ మీద తీసుకెచ్చు. ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది ఆ బటన్? ఎవరికి మనం యానిమేట్ చేసింది ఆ నోడ్కి ఉంటా కామన్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్కి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి, కామన్ కంట్రోలర్. థర్డ్ టెబ్ 1, 2, 3 అండ్ బై డిఫాల్ట్ ఇవన్నీ ఆఫ్లో ఉంటుంది, ఆన్ చేయండి. ఆన్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఎస్, హౌ మచ్ క్వాంటిటీ వాంట్, మోర్, డీటెయిల్ ఆర్ నాట్, అండ్ యాంగిల్ 180 is the default. You can get it less or you can get it more. The higher the motion shutter angle, the more the blur on the screen. So shutter angle decides the blur length and the quality will be decided over here. By default it is 180 only. Is it clear now? But this blur is not for the video which is running. ఒక వీడియోలో ఒక పర్సన్ రన్నింగ్ అవుతుంది అంటే అది మోషన్ బ్లర్ అంటే ఇక్కడ రాదు. This is the blur for the animated object inside the fusion. ఫ్యూజన్లో ఏది నుంచి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ సెంటర్ పాయింట్ నుంచి రొటేట్ కానీ మూవ్ అవుతుంది అంటే ఆ ట్రైలర్ రావాలంటే ఈ మోషన్ బ్లర్ పనికి వస్తాయి. వీడియోలో ఉంటే మోషన్ బ్లర్ ఒక డిఫరెంట్ నోడ్లో వస్తాయి. బికాస్ సమ్టైమ్స్ దెర్ ఆర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ లైక్ when a person is running, sir, motion blur కావాలంటే ఇది ఆన్ చేస్తే అవుతుంది. నో, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ హూమ్, ఫర్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ విచ్ ఇస్ యానిమేటెడ్ ఇన్ ఫ్యూజన్. ఆ యానిమేషన్కి బ్లర్ కావాలంటే ఈ ఆప్షన్ పనిచేస్తుంది. సో హోప్ one more option we got to know today, that is called motion blur. Is it clear? So hope on your screen it is clear. Two things: how to make a productive output of a bouncing ball by changing the center point and applying a ellipse node, how to blend them together if a trailer is there, and trailer could be done by the time speeder. You can make any animation to go like 2 frame, 3 frame behind. Mostly it is used in motion graphics. ఒక యానిమేషన్ మనం చేసిందంటే సేమ్ యానిమేషన్ ఒక 10 ఫ్రేమ్స్ తర్వాత రావాలి, లైక్ నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ది పర్సన్స్, ఇట్ హెస్ టు కమ్ వన్ ఆఫ్టర్ ది అదర్. దెన్ టైమ్ స్పీడర్ కుడ్ బి యూస్డ్ ఆఫ్ టు సెండ్ ద సేమ్ యానిమేషన్ 5 frame delay. So it start with very simple, then you can make it more complex. Second thing we have learned what is called motion blur and how to activate the motion blur for an animated subject, where it is inside this merge node. Is it done? That's it for the day. So the next output of here is motion blur. Set these onto the screen. Copy and okay, out. So the tools can be taken from right click on the flow panel and go for which button? Flow, underly. Motion blur, right? Does rename is there? F2. Right down. Motion. For no. It is F2, F2. Yes, yes, it is written motion blur. Cancel is this node is not changing, but merge node is changed. You can see the impact over here. F2 button, Control C. I'll leave it up. Cancel. So the 2 tasks of the day. Hope this much of things clear. In the next session, we'll start with the masking. Just we have introduced one small mask today, that is called ellipse. But before that, if you are giving some output, then we'll make a little big animation also. So scripting and all. కానీ మీరు కొంచెం అవుట్పుట్ ఇస్తుందంటే యానిమేషన్ చాలా డెప్త్గా ఉంటుంది ఫ్యూజన్ మీద. బట్ జాబ్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ మాస్కింగ్, సో rotoscoping and all. And the time you take interest, then we can go in that angle. So I need to start with rotoscope to get your job ready. But motion graphics, animation strength is, you can see the nodes. Scripting is there also. We'll go to that extension also once you take some interest. Fine then. So we'll meet in the next session with the higher options. I'm stopping the screen now. If any question, you can ask me now.
సార్ కీస్ కాపీ చేసుకుంటా
ఇదేనా?
పేస్ట్ చేయండి. కీస్ కాపీ చేసుకో.
కీ కాపీ పేస్ట్ ఇలా చేయాలా?
సో బౌన్స్ ఎఫెక్ట్ లో లాస్ట్ లో ఇవన్నీ కీస్ కాపీ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా?
క్వశ్చన్ కీ కాపీ పేస్ట్ ఎట్లా చేయాలా ఇదేనా?
సార్.
So I'll make a flow. Very simple. Busy. Get a transform node. So directly now, because you know which is node you are going to use, so get the angle. Color, yes. Get angle, right click, animation. Which frame? 14 frame lo untundi manam. So set it, remove this transform angle key. Get it default now. Set the key, animation. Go to the editor, edit button. 1 2 3 4. Okay. And K ante key padipoyindi. Then value change cheyandi. తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రేమ్కి వెళ్ళండి. కే నొక్కండి. ఎస్ ఎస్ యువర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్ వ్యాలిడ్, బికాస్ డైరెక్ట్ కాపీ పేస్ట్ అవుతలేదు. ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడి నుంచి కాపీ చేసి కంట్రోల్ సి చెప్పిన తర్వాత ఈ నోడ్కి వెళ్ళి ఈ నోడ్ మళ్ళీ సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే పేస్ట్ చేయండి. ఓకే. సో హోప్ యు గాట్ టు నో హౌ టు పేస్ట్ ఇట్ అప్. సో నౌ ద సేమ్ copy it up. If directly we are trying something pasting, sometimes it happens, but if it is not happening, then yes, copy paste. Now see, here we have copied, but unless this is unselected, it is not pasting. Control C, go to the destination. Don't paste now. Get it deselect and paste. So hope the copy paste is clear. Is it okay? So multi-color, copy and paste. Okay. So this is Control C. Go over here, deselect and paste. Deselect and paste. Fine then. So I'm stopping the screen. So you'll be getting this video from the office. Now I'm in the office, so you can get it directly from the office system. And you can ask for this file I'm saving on the desktop for everyone. You can request them. It is on the desktop with a Fusion 11 to 12 class. Project file kuda saved ఉంటుంది. You can take it up. Because I kind of will give from my end, it is there in the office table. On the desktop, it is there with bouncing ball name. So I have saved the project file. Here all the files are there. On the desktop, you can take it off. When computer on desktop, I'm saving this file also. Paint file kuda నేను సేవ్ చేస్తుంది. Today's note 16 June. You can request to the management. It is there on the desktop with the folder name called Fusion 11 to 12 class. Project file and the paint file, both are saved. You can take it. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Ending the session. Nice to meet you.